Hello friends, after the jungle adventure Kia and Amy reached a beautiful princess castle. The castle was shining in pink, gold, and sparkles. Kia said, "Wow, this place looks magical." Suddenly, a kind princess appears. Princess said, "Welcome, Kia and Amy. To enter this castle, you must learn the magic of 4. Kia and Amy both agreed. They saw one royal table with 4 crowns. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 crowns stay 4. Next, they saw 2 plates, each with 4 cupcakes. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8 cupcakes. In the garden, there were 3 flower beds. Each had 4 flowers. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4, 8, 12 flowers. They saw 4 trees, each with 4 butterflies. 4 times 4 equals 16. Inside the hall, there were 5 tables, each with 4 cakes. 4 times 5 equals 20. The princess gave them 6 boxes, each with 4 magic wands. 4 times 6 equals 24. They found 7 treasure boxes, each with 4 jewels. 4 times 7 equals 28. On the castle towers, there were 8 towers, each with 4 flags. 4 times 8 equals 32. They counted 9 castle windows, each with 4 decorations. 4 times 9 equals 36. Finally, they saw 10 royal chairs, each with 4 ribbons. 4 times 10 equals 40. Kia jumped happily. "I love learning in the princess castle." Amy said, "Table of 4 means counting in 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, up to 40. If you enjoyed this royal adventure, like, subscribe and share." Suddenly, the castle lights flicker. A mysterious icy wind blows. Kia, where is this cold wind coming from? Amy, is our next adventure in a frozen land? Stay tuned.